Hello everyone, this is Shivam from Gossipfunda and today we are going to fix an issue of Minecraft. So basically when I'm trying to open Minecraft, it is not opening and a pop-up message appears which displays a message and a error code creeper. So we're gonna fix this issue, and if you are also having the same, then watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So the official website of Minecraft says that this error occurs because of network issue which prevents you to sign in. So the only solution to fix this issue is that you must have a proper and stable network connection. So check your internet connection and also make sure to configure it. The next thing you can do is simply sign out Microsoft account. After some time, sign in to your Microsoft account and your issue may get fixed. But if this method does not work, then simply uninstall Minecraft application and reinstall it again. And if this also not work, then simply contact customer support. They will help you out. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.